button. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button, Christopher.
What the fuck?
Or do you prefer Chris? Press the button, Chris. Press the button. Press the button. Press. Is it so hard to press a button? Why not press the button? It's just a button. What could go wrong?
What's gonna happen if I push the button?
Well, I can tell you what won't happen. Your dear old mom and dad, who live on 28 Brookside Court in Sumter, South Carolina, will remain unharmed.
What are you?
I'm a button, Chris. You press buttons. So press the button.
Why do you need me to push the button?
Because I'm hungry, Chris. I've been trapped here for years.
Why?
Press the button.
First, tell me why you're trapped.
There's a white car outside of your parents' home. Your mother is making dinner. It's a stew. It smells delicious.
How the hell do you know that? You're just a
button? Chris? Am I just a button? Call your father right now.
Dad? How you doing? I'm fine. What are you and Mom having for dinner? Beef stew?
Somebody will ring the doorbell in 3, 2, 1.
Somebody's at the door? Okay. I'll see you. I love you. You stay the fuck away from my parents!
Well, I will, once you press the button.
I could just throw you away, you know?
Well, if you throw me away, who knows what'll happen to your parents?
So if I push the button, my parents are gonna be okay.
Your parents are going to be untouched. Come on, Chris. Your parents are running out of time. Press the button.